Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to install a Wi-Fi driver on your Windows 11 device. Whether you're setting up a new PC or troubleshooting connectivity issues, updating your Wi-Fi driver can often solve a lot of problems. So let's get started. First of all, click on the search icon on the taskbar and search Device Manager. After you have opened Device Manager, expand the Network Adapters section. Now, if you can't find your network adapters here, select View and choose Show Hidden Devices. So if you see your current Wi-Fi adapter listed here, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In here, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. After that, you need to click or check on Show Compatible Hardware. Now here, you have to select any of the drivers that appear on the box below and click on Next to install the driver. The driver will get installed in a couple of seconds. So after it's finished, restart your PC. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.